Hey everyone, it's Dorian here, one of the co-founders at Nise. We've had a couple of people asking for some help connecting their Nise Wave to Wi-Fi. So in this video, we will run through the different ways to connect your Nise Wave sous vide to Wi-Fi. This video will be specific to Apple devices running iOS. We will also be doing a video on connecting to Android too. There are two ways to connect your Wave to Wi-Fi: Airlink mode, which should work for the majority of you, and direct mode, a backup connection method for those users who seem to hit snags with Airlink mode. Direct link mode will be necessary if you have a dual band wireless network where both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz share a single SSID name, since the Wave operates solely on 2.4 GHz. Let's begin with Airlink mode, which should work for the majority of users. Before we begin, you'll need to make sure your Wi-Fi network name doesn't have any non-standard characters. Unfortunately, emojis, accented characters, and non-standard symbols are too much to be stored in the Wave, since it needs all the room it has to store recipe data. If your network contains any of these, you'll unfortunately need to change it. First, ensure you have the Nise app downloaded onto your iOS device. Next, we'll need to put the Nise Wave into pairing mode. Plug it in, and you'll see the flashing Wi-Fi icon between the temperature and time icons. It's flashing because the device currently isn't connected to Wi-Fi. Press and hold it for 5 seconds. You'll hear 9 short beeps, followed by a longer beep. Your Wave is now in Airlink mode. Congratulations! You're basically a techie at this point. Make sure your iOS device is connected to the Wi-Fi you'd like to use. If you have a dedicated 5G channel, make sure you're not on that one, or it's not going to work. I also like to turn off cellular data when I do this, but that's probably just optional. Open the Nise app and go to your profile. It's the bottom right icon on the navigation bar. On the user profile screen, press the button to add device. Select Airlink mode, since that's what we are trying first. On the Find Wireless Network screen, all we need to do is select the network we are connected to. Remember, not the 5G one. If it doesn't appear, maybe you aren't connected, so first make sure your phone is on it, then hit Next. On the next screen, we remind you to put the device into Airlink pairing mode by holding down the Wi-Fi button. If you followed that step already, you should be good. If you didn't, do it now. Remember to hold it for all the beeps. The next screen will prompt you to enter your password for your wireless network. This will beam it to the Wave, so it has it to be able to connect on its own in the future. Okay, so now it should connect. Give it up to 2 minutes and don't unplug it. If it works, it will show up on your profile screen as a new device, and the Wi-Fi light will go solid. In the future, your Wave will automatically connect. You can even give it a nickname now. If it didn't just work, you can try again, and if you still have problems, we can try the next method, direct mode. We developed direct mode to help users whose 2.4 and 5 GHz channels are under a single SSID, which can actually cause troubles for many IoT devices. To connect using direct mode, again, connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. If given the option for a 5G channel, again, don't connect to that one. Navigate to your profile in the app again and click Add Device. This time though, we will select direct mode. On the Find Wireless Network screen, locate your Wi-Fi and select it. On the next screen, enter your password. Putting the Wave into direct mode is similar to Airlink mode, but with one additional button press. The Wi-Fi button will be blinking if the device currently isn't connected to any wireless network. Hold down the Wi-Fi button for about 5 seconds. You will hear 9 short beeps, followed by a longer beep. Release the button when you hear the longer beep. By doing so, you have put the Nise Wave into Airlink mode. Now, to enter direct mode, tap the Wi-Fi button once more so you hear a single beep. The Nise Wave is now in direct mode. Your Wave is now temporarily broadcasting its own Wi-Fi network. This will allow us to get the vital connection information sent to it. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and find the network the Wave is broadcasting. This new network will have the prefix XPG G-Agent. The password is 123456789. Once connected, go back to the Nise app. On the bottom of the current screen, click Refresh, so that it shows that you are now connected successfully to XPG G-Agent. Hit Next. During the connection process, don't unplug your Wave. It may take up to 2 minutes. Once complete, your iOS device should automatically reconnect to your home Wi-Fi, and your Wave should also connect to your home Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi logo will be solid if this was successful. If none of this worked, here are a few common fixes which have helped users with connection issues in the past. Restarting all devices can fix many unknown causes of failure automatically. Start by unplugging your router for at least 15 seconds to give it time to fully shut down before restarting. Restart your iOS device by holding down the power button to get a pop-up to shut down and restart. Finally, the Nise Wave can be restarted by unplugging it for at least 15 seconds. Once all devices have been restarted, try going through the connection process again. Again, also please make sure there are no incompatible characters in your Wi-Fi name. Emojis, accents, and symbols don't play nice with the Wave. Make sure your device isn't too far from the router. The closer the better, especially for this initial pairing. Make sure you aren't on the 5 GHz band of your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is 5 GHz only, which is fairly rare, unfortunately you will need to pick up a new router. What's more common is that your 2.4 GHz channel might just be disabled. You can check this by logging into your Wi-Fi router's settings page using a web browser. This is how you do it for most of the common manufacturers. If you have a different brand, you can check how to log in and change router settings online. Once you log into your router, look for the wireless settings. Here you can see the name of your Wi-Fi bands and passwords. Make sure that 2.4 GHz wireless frequency band is enabled. If you suspect there might be a further problem with your Wave, submit a bug report in the app or contact support@nise.tech. I hope you found that guide helpful and it was able to resolve your problem. If you're still watching though, I would assume it hasn't. If that's the case, please don't hesitate to reach out so we can help get this sorted and get you cooking. Thanks.